We are going to review top 5 best kayaks for ocean. Let's get started. List number 1. Perception Kayaks Expression Sit Inside Kayak. Designed with adventurers in mind, Perception Kayaks Expression combines the versatility of the sit-inside kayaks and stability of sit-on-top kayaks. Its cockpit is easy to enter, while the built-in cushy chair is comfortable to sit on all day. You can push the seat forward, backward, up, or down, and expect it to obey you. The thigh braces are also adjustable, which provides additional support and control during paddling. The manufacturer incorporated bungee cord storage spaces both in the front and in the back of the kayak so that you are able to safely secure your accessories. The True Track Skeg enables you to stay on track with the wind and currents of the ocean. List number 2. URUK Kayak Foldable Kayak. Perhaps the most lightweight ocean kayak on the market is the one developed by URUK Kayak. You don't need a roof rack or a trailer to transport it from your house to the beach. It can be packed in a carrying case in under 5 minutes and thrown in the trunk of your car, or attached to the back of your bicycle. The installation takes no more than 5 minutes too. The foldable construction of the kayak makes it a handy on-the-go tool for drifting in the sea or the ocean. It is made from the custom polypropylene and is built to be rust and UV resistant. The possibility to fold it doesn't take away from how mighty this kayak is. Rated at 20,000 folds, it meets and exceeds the U.S. Coast Guard recreational vessel standards. List number 3. Perception Kayaks Pescador Pilot Kayak. Pedal-driven performance at an unbelievable price is what Perception Kayaks says about the Pescador Pilot. We couldn't agree more. It is indeed a 12.5-inch beast that will suit paddlers with beginner and expert skills alike. The propeller mechanism doesn't occupy your hands, but rather gives a workout for your legs, from which we all can benefit in moderate portions. The sit-on-top construction makes the boat spacious enough to fit you and plenty of your stuff. There is storage both in the front and in the back of the kayak, which means you don't have to compromise on what to bring with you. Lawn chair style mesh seat with 2-level seat adjustment and breathable mesh for ultimate all-day comfort and no pain. List number 4. BKC Sit-on-Top Tandem Kayak. The Brooklyn Kayak Company never disappoints with the equipment it puts out. This tandem kayak is the proof. Its sit-on-top design combined with the possibility of choosing between paddling or pedaling makes it an attractive find. The 12-inch length goes well with the unpredictable ocean and sea, while the 34-inch beam helps you stay put when the wind makes the waves go crazy. Even if you find yourself standing up in the middle of the ride, the likelihood of you falling over is low. The 440-pound capacity means there is enough strength in this boat to hold 2 people and not budge. In case you decide to go fishing, there are 3 fishing rod holders that can be adjusted as per your preference. List number 5. Lifetime Emotion Stealth Kayak. The Emotional Stealth 11 is as stable on the water as any other high-end kayak is. The 11-inch length gives you just enough surface to work with when drifting through rough waves. Lifetime equipped this piece of equipment with a skeg wheel for increased tracking and 4 side handles for easy transportation. With or without a helping hand, you'll have no issues bringing your kayak to the ocean. Comfort is guaranteed by the adjustable padded back seat and footwells, with a secure foot bracing mechanism. You also have rear storage for keeping your cargo next to you at all times. The self-bailing scupper holes help in draining the water after a long day of kayaking. Front and rear storage allow you to bring plenty of essential and non-essential items on board,